YouTube creators struggling to grow your channel, getting views but no subs? Or maybe you're just starting from zero. In this video, I'm sharing 7 proven tips to help you grow your YouTube channel fast, even as a beginner in 2025. Let's jump right in. Tip 1: Focus on a niche. First things first, pick a niche and stick to it. Don't post random content one day and tutorials the next. Whether it's beauty, gaming, tech, cooking, or productivity, having a clear focus helps YouTube recommend your videos to the right audience. Tip 2: Create search-friendly content. People use YouTube like Google, so create videos people are searching for. Use tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or even the YouTube search bar to find what your audience wants. Make videos with titles like How To, Best Tips For, Top 5 Ways To. These are gold for discoverability. Tip 3: Use eye-catching thumbnails. Even the best video won't get views if nobody clicks it. Create bold, clean, and click-worthy thumbnails using tools like Canva. Use big text, bright colors, and close-up expressions. Make sure your thumbnail and title together spark curiosity. Tip 4: Hook viewers in the first 10 seconds. Attention spans are short, so grab viewers right away with a strong hook. Tell them what they'll learn, show a quick preview, or ask a question that makes them want to keep watching. First 10 seconds equals make or break. Tip 5: Be consistent. Want faster growth? Then upload consistently. You don't have to post daily, even once a week is great. Just stay regular. YouTube rewards creators who keep showing up. Bonus tip: here's a bonus. Use YouTube Shorts.
Wow!
They're perfect for quick growth in 2025. Shorts help you reach tons of new viewers, and many of them will check out your main content after watching. And there you have it, 7 powerful ways to grow your YouTube channel fast in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more creator tips. Got a question or want me to check out your channel? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to help. Keep creating, keep growing. See you in the next one.